Okay, guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. We are going to start your Anak Krakatoa 2.4 Anak Krakatoa. So, what is Anak Krakatoa? Krakatoa जो भी है, what it is, let's see here. So, Krakatoa is an island in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra in the Indonesia. तो इंडोनेशिया में क्या है? इंडोनेशिया मध्ये हे काय आहे? It is an island. काय आहे ते? आयलंड आहे, बेट आहे. It is known for its volcano which erupts regularly. तर ते का बरं महत्वाचं आहे? Because क्यों इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है? बिकॉज इम्पोर्टंट है बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो वॉल्कॅनो आहे, जो ज्वालामुखी आहे, तो कधी पण एरप्ट होतो, कधी पण तो फुटतो. व्हॉट इज वॉल्कॅनो? तर वॉल्कॅनो म्हणजे काय? You know very well, a volcano is a crack or opening in the earth's crust, right? ज्वालामुखी तुम्हाला माहित आहे. There is a hot molten rock near the earth's center. Sometimes it rises to the surface of the earth through such a crack or opening and flows out. When this happens, we say that the volcano has erupted. तर तो काय होतो? तो जो लावा रस असतो तो आपल्या पृथ्वीच्या बाहेर येण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. हे बघा असं दिसतं तुम्हाला. दिस इज ऍक्च्युअल volcano तुम्हाला दाखवलेला आहे. Now, a volcanic eruption happens. A volcanic eruption happens on a tremendous scale. Thick, dark clouds of smoke rise high from the opening. असं काय होतं? थिक असे काळे कुट्ट असे ढग काय होतात? बाहेर पडतात, धूर असा बाहेर पडत असतो त्या volcano मधून. And spread in the sky, आकाशामध्ये पसरतो. Big glowing burning chunks of rocks and red hot lava are thrown out of the crack in the earth. They are thrown out of the crack in the crust. Getting, guys? Then what happens? See, just a minute. Yeah. Hmm. So very hot mud and ash are also thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landform in the area. Volcanoes are properly classified into three categories. There are three categories of volcano. First, active volcanoes. Active volcanoes erupt regularly, right? Second, dormant volcanoes. Dormant means temporarily inactive or in a deep sleep. We find information about the eruptions of these volcanoes in the history, but not that now they are quiet. And third part is what? Third is extinct volcanoes. Third काय तुमचा extinct volcanoes. Geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation. What that they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in history. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again, right? Now, Krakatoa is what? It is an active volcano. It is an active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disasters. The worst of the eruption took place in August 1883. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 kilometers away in Australia. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man had ever heard. The island, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 kilometers in the sky. It spread the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world, thousands kilometers away. इतना बड़ा वो volcanic eruption हुआ था 1883 में. That was the largest बहुत बड़ा sound हुआ था. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis. Tsunami पण आले होते. In the sea near the island, about 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption and tsunamis. 165 गावांना त्याचा त्रास झाला होता, फटका बसला होता, वो सब डूब गए थे या फिर डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए थे. The eruption destroyed two-thirds of the island of Krakatoa. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. The hole was more than 6 kilometers wide. तो जो आयलंड होता ना, त्या आयलंडचे पण तुकडे झाले. Two-third of island was collapsed, destroyed. Then in 1927, a plume of smoke rose out of the water on the crater. It was followed by another eruption. A few days later, a new island volcano broke water. How did it happen? परत छोटे छोटे volcano होत चालले. How did it happen? So when underwater volcano threw up ash and rock, it was quickly taken. away. It was quickly taken away by seawater, but then the lava started flowing out of the crater faster. This volcanic material was not all taken away by the waves, and new mountain began to grow. It will grow. It kept growing and was soon seen above the water. Thus, a new island grew from the old island of Krakatoa, and it is known as Anak Krakatoa, or the child of Krakatoa. Right, guys? I'll tell you. I'll explain this. Krakatoa, a child of the Krakatoa. So Anak Krakatoa is still an active volcano. Eruptions have begun again since in 1994. It lies quiet for a few days and then again there are eruptions. With more lava flowing out, the island is still growing bigger. Since 1950, the island has grown at an average rate of 5 inches per week. Apart from old island known as Rakata, is still visible in the sea a little away from the new arrival Anak Krakatoa. Okay, getting guys? After Krakatoa's eruption in 1883, all the surrounding islands and coast were covered with hot ash. No life remained. When a scientist visited in 1884, he found just one spider there. But the living world on Rakata was not lost and gone forever. The wind and the sea brought seeds of plants to the island. Some seeds came with birds who flew over the island. Plants and animals that live in the sea came to the coast again. Small land animals like ants, termites, even rats and lizards traveled to the island on on plants floating in the sea. One edge of the island was soon teeming with plants and animals. देखो ऐसे ते volcanoचं eruption तुम्हाला दाखवलं आहे. It was like a laboratory where scientists can see how living things slowly develop in an area. Today, scientists can observe this also in a part of Anakrakatoa which does not get covered with volcanic ash. A western coast of Java was greatly affected by Krakatoa's eruption. Very few human beings were left there, but wild animals and plants in that area grew in number again. In fact, the wildlife grew naturally since there were there were no human beings to interfere with it. There was no one there to cut trees to kill animals, and so this region becomes a wild life, right? This region became a wild life.